ass is fucked up. Good morning.
Good morning.
We're in Lombok, Indonesia, and we're gonna go to some waterfalls and some rice terraces. We're gonna do it with the whole crew, so 8 people strong.
Let's go. Chaos, chaos. Scooter gang, scooter gang, scooter gang, scooter gang. Excited girls. Yeah! Adventure day.
Hi babies, now it's time to go. Hey. Time for a break.
Lunch break. No.
Bro, my ass hurts, man. How's your ass? My ass is fucked up. Pierre is famous. Alright guys, we made it. So we went to the official ticket booth where the ticket is like, I don't know, 10,000. And I know it because I've been here 4 years ago. And you had to go through the official ticket booth. But now they changed it. There's another ticket booth for foreigners where you pay around 100,000 for 4 waterfalls. So, but as we were with 10, we made a deal for 50 each, and then we get 4 waterfalls. So it's still like 3 euros, but still it's the principle, you know. But anyways, we're just gonna enjoy, and it's a half-an-hour walk to the waterfall. So let's see. One step at a time. We in the jungle, fam.
Look at the jungle. Look at the jungle girl.
Jungle. Oh. Oh, wombo, wombo. Look at this, man.
Yeah, gonna put yourself there.
What a nice waterfall, man. So this is a cotton tree. Look, can you see? I don't know if you can see it, but it's all on the ground. Look, this is all cotton. Look, they put it in pillows. So fun. Very cool.
Di depan pelayanan ya. Terima kasih.
Wah, napu nih terus.
Hello everyone, party!
we're back at the villa, and that was crazy. We were stuck in an Indonesian wedding. Like, it was on the streets, and then they like invited us, and then Dina went into like party with them, and I was still stuck in traffic behind, but Dina went in, and she was like dancing with everyone, and everyone was so friendly. It was like really crazy. All right, that was it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more. Bye bye.